Hey guys, Alyssa just realized that she hadn't said hi yet, so hi / good morning. So I am saying hi / good morning for her, considering she's driving.
Hello.
So we are on the way to her house to see her dogs. We didn't tell anyone of her family that we were going to her house.
Nah, I was just like, nah, we don't need to tell anybody. We can just like show up, like whatever.
Yeah. It's nothing big. It's only like 45 minutes away, right?
Yeah.
It's not bad.
I hope nobody's on because I'm forgetting. I'm totally blanking out on what the alarm code is.
Well,
yeah, we'll get there in enough time. I got this to be there.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. If not, then we're just gonna be screwed. I'll have to just text my brother and be like, Nate, the alarm code. I'm having a brain fart. What do?
To be honest, I don't even remember mine, so if my parents ever did it, I walked in and it went off, I'd be like, oh crap. But yeah, so we're just saying hi, we're just on the road. Yeah, nothing special.
Nah.
We'll talk to you when we get back to Alyssa's house.
A few more seconds.
So, we just arrived. Let's see how this goes.
Dogs. My mom just texted me and asked me if I was in class. She's not here, she's at work, but still. I know.
Hello. Oh, hi. Hello. Hello. Hi.
Hello.
Hi, I know.
Those are our mythical beasts.
I kind of just showed up. I'm sorry.
Oh, hi. Hi. Hi, everyone.
Have you met them before?
Yeah.
Been here before. Tyler.
Okay.
Come here.
Hiyo.
I'm just gonna send my mom a picture of them and be like, no.
Hey, Ty.
She just asked me if I was in class. I'm just gonna send a picture of this and be like, no.
If you're in class.
Yeah, because we don't have class today, so that's why we're here, because we're bored.
Thank you.
Look at him. Look at him. Hello.
He'd love it.
Hi.
Hi, Angel. Hi, you're such a pretty girl.
Hi.
Oh
Yes.
my god, you're so fun to film.
Hi. Hello.
Look how happy she is.
They're all really happy. They're all just happy dogs. You're really just happy mutts. Look at him.
This long, this stretchy neck. Close just.
Angel.
Oh,
Angel.
easy.
Okay, never mind. Hi.
Look, it's been so long.
Thank you so much. Thank you. No, come back.
Hi. Help. Thank you.
Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi. Angel, your head's all sticky.
Yeah, we love people.
Angel, your head.
Oh, so you got some sort of food
Oh.
You got food in your head.
on our head, but
You got food in your head. Yes, we did.
Tyler.
You got food on your head.
Ty.
You got tons of food on your head.
Hi, lovely. Oh, that's my ear.
oh, beware, Tyler likes the ears.
Yeah, Tyler likes ears.
I can tell. Happy puppies.
She knows.
He's like scared of the sunglasses. Okay, look how cute he is, and he's giving me the dirtiest look right now, and I don't care. I need to freak out about how cute Tyler is. Because look how small he is. Look at him. He's like, what the hell are you doing to me? Hey guys, Tyler. Angel. Hey baby. Hey little one, look how happy she is. So happy to be loved. Yeah, oh, she's itchy. Yeah, she was. Look at her. Look at her. Oh, where is she? Oh, wow. Okay. Hey, Chloe. Chloe. Y'all are itchy. Are you like fleas or something? What are you looking at? What are you looking at? Hey, Tyler. 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 Oh, hey, Tyler. Can I interview you? I don't think he wants to be interviewed. Tyler.
One day,
Yeah?
it appears.
What is it? Hi. How are you? You Tyler? Yeah, you Tyler. You just want to be loved. You know you want. Look how cute he is. Look how cute he is. He's like, help me. Someone, help. Who's that? Go get her! Oh. Yeah? Who was that? Who was it, Ty? Who was it? Yeah? What is it, guys? What? Tyler. Show me your good side. Is that your good side?
I need a light bulb.